Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to On Arsimbo,
Obrolan di teras Arsimbo.
And today we are joined with myself, Bimo, from 7A.
Me, Kinkin from 7A.
I'm Early from 8A.
And I'm Dinda from 8A.
And today we're going to talk about our activity last week, the ICP walking tour, and we had a tour of the city of Malang. We can start.
So, how long did you guys wait for your public transportation?
A long time, I tell you.
Why?
Well, mainly because people were stalling them a lot. And we always got distracted on which ones were the right ones and which ones were the wrong ones. At times, we would even occasionally get the wrong ones.
Yeah, it was really hard actually.
Yeah, and we had to find the code AL, and there's the own map of it and the own route. And if you don't get that one, then we'll go somewhere else, and
Lost.
we'll get lost.
It's actually quite a funny story how my team steals your angkot,
Yeah.
your team angkot. So
Yeah,
Thank
I
God.
reservate. We ordered an angkot. Yeah.
And then we
Go.
paid 5,000.
Yeah,
we have
but
to pay.
Yeah, we
thankfully we found one, and we got to the destination safely and with a complete member. So
for my group, we were bidding it 5,000 per person. So we get the angkot. We steal it from the others group.
Yeah, it's actually stealing.
Yeah, it's all about stealing the angkot and bidding. And yeah, we get there safely, and the team member was complete. And actually, one of my members actually nearly he left his phone in the angkot.
Wow.
Wait, really?
Yeah, and then
Who was it?
Chris.
Chris?
Christian, you are.
yeah.
And
It's
yeah,
him.
He chases the angkot. Yeah. Thankfully, he got his phone back.
He is that type of guy.
Yeah. Can tell. So, what did you like the most about the trip?
I think really overall, just like seeing the sights, honestly.
Yeah.
Like it's just like nice, just like taking a break from school, and then just like walking around, seeing the sights and like the history behind what
Malang.
has come of Malang.
And yeah, but personally for me, I like going outside the school, learning outside the school, because I think if you just stay in class all the time, then I think we won't get anything other than the educational stuff, whatever you call it. And I think if you go outside, we get some social life. And
Socialize.
Yeah, we can. We meet new people and new stuff. So yeah, I
And
think
the
it's a
weather.
very important part of education.
Yes. And the weather that day was so sunny.
It was
So-
so sunny and so nice.
Yes.
Actually.
So our mood is so great that day.
Yeah.
But it was hot and I was starting to sweat.
I know.
Yeah, me too.
That's okay. That's a great. Even though we were like sweating and stuff, at least we were with friends.
Yeah.
I enjoyed it so much.
Yeah, me too.
Interacting with the group that was given to our.
With the locals.
Yeah, the locals were really nice.
Yeah, actually, really.
Just like, kalian itu sekolah apa?
Yeah.
Dari mana?
Ramah
Yeah.
banget.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, from scale 1 to 10, how will you rate this trip?
Oh, that's a hard one.
And why?
I would rate it 9.
9? Why?
It's nice and all, but actually, yeah, I don't really like the weather that day because it was so hot. But it was
Mhm.
nice, very nice.
Overall, it's nice, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, like, I would just give it an 8.
Mhm.
Don't get me wrong, it was really fun and all. I
It
really
is.
enjoyed it. But I think because I was sweaty so much, I kind of disliked it a bit.
Mhm.
But then in the end, we got to eat, so I was happy.
Yeah. Free food, can you tell?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I'll give it a fresh 8.5. I mean, it's fun, it's good, but again the weather is very hot.
Yeah,
Weather.
Yeah.
it's always the weather. I'll probably give a solid 9. It's all nice and good, but the minus
Again.
point is just like the weather and
Yeah.
how and apa, we need to wait for the other group to arrive to the destination. That's like I don't
Yeah.
like waiting. So
Yeah.
Yeah,
Same.
yeah, that one.
I think my
It was my group. Was
yeah, your group
very
takes so
late.
long.
I know.
I think my one complaint was just like the time. It wasn't really that long for me, in my opinion. Probably like, for me, it felt like 1 hour at least.
Yeah, but like because my group arrives first and then we have to wait for the other, so that's take kind of long.
Explains.
My group was so late.
Yeah, but
If it wasn't for
at the
people
end we're
stalling.
there. So,
Yeah.
Grr.
and what is your favorite place from all of the places you've visited? Which one?
I think the
why?
most the one that I will replay again and again. I think it's the Balai Kota, the city
Yes.
council.
Yes.
Because-
I agree.
I
I'll
mean,
agree.
when would you come inside a city council again? When will you have a tour inside? And it's an interesting place. I mean, I thought it was a boring offices,
Yeah,
and then
it's actually really fun here.
inside there's a small garden and
Very cold. Very nice.
balconies. It's nice. Yeah, it was better than I expected.
I mean, I would have to say the same, to be honest. Like, the amount of like information and like history behind it is really what just makes it like it. You know,
Yeah.
it's hard to say, but like basically, yeah.
Yeah, me
Mhm.
too. I really liked the Balai Kota. It was very nice, cold, and the history behind it. Again, it's very interesting.
I would probably visit the Un Corner. You guys remember the Un Corner?
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
place, the bakery shop. It was
Yeah.
really nice. Did you guys try the ice cream?
No.
No?
I didn't
No.
get
Didn't
to.
get to.
You should really try the ice
Yeah.
cream because it was so nice. Literally that nice.
In our free time.
Yeah, in your free time.
Yeah.
What was your favorite Indonesian traditional food that you've tried?
I don't really know the names. Is that a bad thing?
No, it's not. It's okay.
Well, I only had, I only tried a little bit.
What is it?
because it's the croquette.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
croquette. huh?
Rocket.
It was really nice. I mean, I think the fact that I was really hungry as well makes it even more.
And it's also free, so
Yeah.
you like free food, right?
Yeah.
Free food.
Yeah.
Free food.
What about you?
I don't remember the name, but it was sweet. It's like white. It's really nice. I liked it very much.
For me, it was the es puter. The es puter that I've tried. It was so nice, and it's hot that day, so
Yeah, the esputer was nice. I had it as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Next question, I guess.
Yeah.
So, did you like the surabi? How is it taste? In your opinion,
Now this is
a
the.
controversial opinion, right?
Yeah, definitely.
I didn't get to try the surabi.
You cannot, huh?
No,
How
I
is that?
I didn't. So
didn't?
we went there. So I got picked up with one of my friends'
Moms.
mom, and then we went back to school to do the Jumat prayer.
Mungkin ngadapnya ke Mbak
So
Dinda ya.
yeah.
I mean, from
Okay.
to be honest, I think I didn't actually get to try it, to be honest, because my dad was actually there that whole time, which is the
Yeah.
funny part. And then instead, I just went and bought chicken, and then I ate it, and then I just went to go do the Jumat prayer.
Yes, Jumat ya.
Yeah, it was
Yeah,
Friday.
it was
Yeah.
Friday. It's Friday.
It's
What
okay,
you-
I guess. In
It's
my
okay.
opinion, it was okay. It's not like I'm gonna I
Reorder it.
reorder it. Yeah, no. But
Yeah, me too.
for just like a taste test, it was
Yes.
nice.
It's good, but it's not good. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's good, but it's not. My favorite part was the pisang bakar. It was so nice, the pisang bakar, and also the yogurt drink. The
Yeah.
yogurt is
Yeah,
so
yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
What would you rate it on a scale of 1 to 10, really?
For surabi, I probably rate it 7.
Oh, that's high.
It's nice, but no, it's just not my type. And then for the pisang bakar, I would rate it 9, and the yogurt probably 8. Okay, what about you guys?
I did not try it at all.
Oh
so
yeah.
Yeah, I did
Sorry,
Yeah.
as
sorry.
well.
For the surabi, I would rate it 6.5, I think.
Yep.
Wow, that's low.
Yeah, that's okay.
I mean,
Just
like,
not
it's the
my
type of
type.
thing that you would test, you know? So
Yeah.
it does make sense.
It's actually really nice tasting
Yeah.
new food, but no
It's just not my
type of food.
favorite.
Yep.
Alright, next question, I guess.
Yep.
Want to ask questions?
No.
No, I'm,
No?
I'm okay.
What do you have in mind?
What? What do you have in mind, guys? I have nothing.
What?
You have nothing?
No, I don't.
So
Hold on, I think I have something.
I don't know. So what was the route of your?
Oh, actually, the road was. The trottoir was not really nice for you to walk. So
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
bumpy.
it's yeah, it's
the
very.
pedestrians. Yeah.
Hmm.
So the first thing we did, we went to the monument Tugu Malang.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's the central of Malang, I think. We took some pictures there, group pictures, and we took pictures with our phone, with our camera, and then there is this task that you need to do, photography task, and whoever took the best picture with the best caption wins. I have no idea who won,
Yeah.
but yeah, and then we went to the Hotel Tugu. Again, we took some pictures there, and then it was nice. We had a small tour, a little tour, and we went to the bird market, Pasar Burung, where they sold animals.
Oh, that was
my
favorite one.
Yeah.
and plants. Yeah.
And the tour guide was really nice. So
Yeah,
it was a really fun activity to do when you got a nice tour guide. So
Yeah.
3 minutes left.
and so, how would you guys say this trip? Like, one word for this trip. One word.
Historical. That's the one thing I would say, honestly.
And then
Historical.
we can end the video.
Okay. So.
Yeah, I think it's fun, it's important, and honestly an experience that I will never forget. I think, especially going inside the Balai Kota was probably one of the best experiences I've had. Yeah.
Who wants to review this trip? Let's review it from the start to the end, and then we can end this.
Yeah.
You know, before we do that, I do want to ask one question.
What is it?
Did you guys manage to finish making the videography?
Yes, I did.
Okay. Same
What
here.
about you? What about you?
I have not made any
Nice.
videos.
You haven't.
Well, I have a few videos, but I have not done anything with it
In
yet.
production, in the works.
I will do it. Hopefully tonight.
After
Don't know.
this?
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's
okay.
no problem.
I have your words.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so
How about we say on the count of 3, and then we give everyone, all of us will say our review.
okay.
Like on a scale of 1 to 10, alright?
Yep. Okay.
Okay. 3,
3,
2,
2,
1.
9.
9.5.
8.5. 8.5.
Okay, I have 9. What about you?
9.5.
8.5.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright.
Seems like it's all.
I think it's done. Okay.
Okay. So thank you very much for coming, and we hope you have a good rest of your day.
Yes.
Yes.
Have a good day ahead.
Goodbye, and we'll see you on the next podcast.
Bye.
Bye.